Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a UFO lead sound. This iconic sound, often heard in electronic music, creates an otherworldly, soaring effect. We'll explore the fundamental building blocks, starting with oscillator selection and waveform shaping. Then, we'll dive into crucial modulation and effects that give the UFO lead its distinctive character. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to craft this captivating sound from scratch, using common synthesizer features. To begin crafting your UFO lead, select 2 or 3 oscillators, preferably using saw or square waveforms. These provide a rich harmonic foundation. Crucially, detune one oscillator by a small amount, perhaps 5 to 10 cents from the others. This slight pitch difference creates a thick, beating effect. For added stereo width, subtly pan your detuned oscillators a few degrees to the left and right, making the sound feel larger. Next, introduce a low-pass filter with moderate resonance to sculpt the sound's brightness and character. This filter will remove harsh high frequencies while emphasizing the cutoff point. To create the signature wobble, modulate the filter cutoff frequency with a slow to medium speed low-frequency oscillator, or LFO. Additionally, apply a very subtle, fast LFO to the pitch of one or more oscillators. This adds a slight, warbling siren quality, enhancing the alien feel. To finalize your UFO lead, incorporate essential time-based effects. A long delay with feedback set to around 50% will create a sense of vast space and trailing echoes. Follow this with a generous amount of reverb to place the sound in an expansive, ethereal environment. Finally, consider adding a chorus effect with a low mix setting. This will subtly widen the sound and introduce a gentle, swirling motion, completing the iconic, otherworldly texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.